In this video today, I think we'll start looking at stripping the car. So make a start at the back. So what I think we'll do is we'll get the rear lights out it and we'll put the lid off it and see where we go from there. Well, getting these rear wires off the lights was a bit of a pain, so I've just had to pull them. I've got new lights somewhere for this anyway, but like I say, I've had to pull them off and leave the bullet connector stuck inside there. What I should have actually done really was warmed them up a little with the heat gun, just to soften up the plastic or the rubber to allow them to pull out. But I'll be putting a new wire and looming the car anyway, so I'm not too fussed at that. So I've just got the last screw here. Take out. And we can take the light out of it. Right, now we're going to get the fuel tank out. You can see it just there. You'll see it better on this camera here. It's going to be a ½ inch, 15 mil. It's a bit up. Around this bit, there we are. Fortunately this isn't tight, so it'll undo. I can remember I had an SPI Mini, and I don't know how many times I took the tank out of that car. Just cutting out, and all that was wrong with it really was dodgy fuel. And I changed the sender unit. The fuel gauge was wrong anyway, and the fuel pump, it was a pain, but hey ho. Right, so that should be the tank ready to come out. Better disconnecting it first actually. And that'll be the feed for it down there on this one. Right, that's the rear lights now out and the fuel tank removed. It's starting to look better. The more I look at this boot floor, the better it is. That's not rust, that's just that. The only thing that I will say, as we can see here, it's kind of soft there. Let's screwdriver. So that's what we've got on this side under the fuel tank. But the actual boot well itself's okay. You know that, I mean that's just dirt. Yeah, fair enough, a little bit of rust there, you know, but on the whole, it's just dirt really. I mean, that's solid. A little bit of rust here. Again, that just to the surface. It's mostly just these corners. That one. And obviously that one. And there's a newspaper in there. Let's have a look at this newspaper. Looks old anyway. Put some light on this. Gravesend leader, and the date on that is weekending the 22nd of March 1986. So there we go. Dartford and Gravesend. So obviously it's down the London area. Some adverts there. Sevenoaks District Council. I've been to Sevenoaks when I was doing the games. I was driving shuttle buses down there. I think it's for the 2012 Olympics in London. Yeah. There you go. The battery box in this looks absolutely mint. Apart from it being covered in dirt. So yeah, that looks good. I think a lot of this boot will be able to be saved. So it'll just be really patches at each end, because I'd hate to go cutting into something that's actually quite good, you know. I mean, I've seen newer minis in far worse condition, so it just goes to show that these old 70s minis, they were actually built quite well, you know. I don't know when the best years for British Leyland were for their build quality. Is it 73, 74 maybe? I'm not sure on that, don't quote me on that. If you know, let me know. But yeah, this boot's actually quite good. Right, that's the boot swept out, and it's not as good as I initially thought it was. I've got a tear in the floor here, and we've got some pinholes down here, here, and probably elsewhere. Now I've only gave that a brush with a hand wire brush. You know, that's not with the electric brush on it, you know, whatever you call that thing. Also, the strut tower there, that started to rot out, so that's going to need addressed as well. Here's evidence of old repairs. A plate's been welded on here in the past, right down actually, filling this whole section, which is obviously not uncommon on these cars. So that's going to have to get addressed, certainly that. But it's not major, I may be able to repair that. But then again, just looking at it, it doesn't look very clever. So maybe a new wheel tub. On this side here, that's okay. There's no problem there. Under seal on that. There, it's done its job. So yeah, no problem there. So it's good to see where they've undersealed these cars, or used seam seal or whatever it is behind them. as well, you know. And again, I don't know how well that's going to pick up in the camera, but that's the original colour and I really like it. Not very well painted from the factory, right enough. You can see where it's barely got paint on it, and quite a fair bit of rust on the back panel there, underneath as well. Yeah, that side there's okay. No rust. No major rust, I should say, on that part. But certainly some rust there. So we're at the back end, we may as well take the back window out. And it's also bin day tomorrow, so I can get the crap away in the bin and empty it. Just shows you how long this has been on the car. It's breaking. That'll be that. Now I'll probably just end up cutting these rubbers to save me from breaking the glass, because I've got a funny feeling that'll be really tight trying to remove this. Yeah, plus it's all brittle anyway. So the easiest way I find to get these windows out of the cars is just to cut them out. Obviously with a sharp blade. Normally just cut the rubber seal out it and then lift the window out. Tell you what I forgot to do is unplug the heated rear window. Right, that was a quick pause so that I could unplug the heated rear windscreen, which I forgot to do. It's been a long day. This bloody rubber's tough. Now this blade's blunt. I think we'll go for the tough rubber. Right, that's the rubber cut off the car. So in theory, this window should just pop out. Hopefully without breaking. There we go. Right, so now when we take this back, you should hopefully see the original colour as well, because you wouldn't have taken the windows out when you painted it. So yep, you can see the original colour there. Pretty sure that's vermilion. Still to check on that. Right, now for the side windows, may as well get them out while we're here. Safest way I think to do that, because they're on a hinge, will be to tape hold the window in place with a bit of tape. So that if it does decide to slide off, hopefully I shouldn't break it. I think that's them all unscrewed, so hopefully just a matter of lifting it out and doing the tape obviously. There we go. And that's the side glass out. Right, now to get the front window out. Again, I'm just going to use the same process or method as I did with the rear window. Without breaking it. Okay, I'm not looking forward to putting the new ones back in, but at least that's for another day. a couple of hours put in tonight after work. It's now midnight, so I suppose it's best to wrap up. The new lighting in the garage has really improved things now. I'm quite pleased with how it's turned out. It's allowing me to do work at night, whereas before the lighting in here was quite bad, and I obviously couldn't work at night. So here's the car now, and I think I should have enough footage on this to make another instalment of the diary. All the glass is out, the tail lights are out, boot lid's off, but I'm still going to have to think of something for that boot floor. Either renew it or patch it up and repair it. I don't really want any patches to be seen on the car, so probably a new boot floor. It's surprising because the battery box is absolutely perfect. You know, there's nothing wrong with that. So I'll probably be able to reuse the battery box, I suppose. So yeah, I think I'll call it a night now and get some shut eye. Catch you later.